Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by locking in core power controls so changes matter immediately. Open Settings, go to System then Power and Battery, and choose Best Power Efficiency. This reduces background CPU boosts. Once done, lower screen brightness to about 40 to 60% and enable adaptive brightness if available, because the display is often the biggest drain. Make sure to disable keyboard backlight if you don't need it. These quick tweaks give you an instant, measurable improvement in runtime. Next, stop unnecessary tasks from waking and sapping your battery. You should disable background activity for non-essential apps in Settings so they don't run constantly. Open installed apps to control each app's background permission. Then head to Task Manager and disable unneeded startup programs, and turn off wake timers in Power Options so scheduled events don't power your machine. Also enable Battery Saver and set it to start at 20% or a custom level. This throttles background work and extends runtime. Finish by removing hardware and software culprits. Unplug external drives and disable Bluetooth when you don't need it, because peripherals and radios draw power. Make sure you've installed updated drivers and Windows updates. Manufacturers often deliver battery improvements. If you still see rapid drain, run the Windows Power Troubleshooter and generate a battery report via PowerCug/battery report to spot abnormal usage. If problems persist, try recalibrating the battery by charging fully, discharging to near zero, then charging again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.